All right, I found this problem on the Twitters and I thought I would give it a try. Let's see, there I am. What? And I thought I would give it a try. Basically, we have a blue triangle inside a trapezoid, and let's figure out what is the area of that blue triangle. All right, so what we're going to do is, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by drawing a triangle, kind of finishing out that triangle. And I don't need it to be solid, so I'm going to kind of make that empty. All right, so there is the triangle. All right, and I want to just kind of finish off the shape, and I'm seeing some funkiness green there, so I'm going to get rid of it. There you go. All right, so now I've got this completed rectangle is what that's supposed to look like. Now we know that the height of this rectangle is 3, and I don't know, well, we know that the entire width is 4. And so let's just call this little piece right here x. All right, let's call that x. That makes this 4 minus x. And we don't know this length right here. All right, so let's figure it out. But we definitely know, actually, hang on, we definitely know that that length is 4 minus x. How do we know that it's 4 minus x? Because it says so. It says these two sides are equal. So now we, right here, we've got a nice little Pythagorean theorem that we could do. So we've got x squared plus 3 squared is equal to 4 minus x squared. Now we can do some fancy schmancy Pythagorean theorem to see if we can get the value of x to kind of fall out into our laps. So we've got x squared plus 9 is equal to 16 minus 8x plus x squared. Now we, oh heck, we could see that the x squareds cancel out. Oh, this is going to be nice. All right, so then we end up with 8x is equal to, subtract, and we get 7. All right, just kind of moving stuff around, following the algebraic rules. And then I'm going to divide both sides by 8, and I get x is equal to 7/8. All right, so now we know that x is equal to 7/8. I'm going to make that a little bit smaller because we don't need that lurking out there. Okay, so if we know that x is equal to 7/8, well, that means we know that the length of this is going to be 4 minus 7/8. So 4 minus 7/8 is going to be 3 1/8, which is going to be 25/8. So that makes our life a little bit easier. So now I know that this blue triangle length right here is 25/8. So I'm going to replace the 4 minus x with 25/8 right here, 25/8. And we know that the height of this triangle is 3. So we officially now know all the information we need to find the area of that blue triangle, because we know base times height is 1/2 times base times height. So let's do green. So the area of the triangle is going to be 1/2 times base times height, which is going to be 1/2 times 25/8. That's the base. That's right here, the base. And the height of that triangle is 3. So times 3. So now all we have to do is the fancy schmancy math. And we end up with 75/16. So the area of that triangle is 75/16. I don't know what the heck 75/16 is. I don't know. 16 times, well, 16 goes into 75. I don't know. 4, 5, let's see, 4 times? Let's see. 24, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. So it's going to be 4 11/16. So our answer is 4 11/16 is the area of that blue triangle. And that wraps up kind of a quick one. I wasn't expecting it to be quite so quick, but let's get that a little smaller and get it out of my face there. And that wraps up another one. Hey, don't forget, if you made it this far, come on, subscribe, like, do all that sort of stuff, and actually leave a comment. I enjoy reading your comments. And that wraps up another math problem.